When you have very little veggies in the house, make this ramen. You need chopped onions, julienne cut potatoes, and yard long beans. These are also called Chinese long beans. First boil the potatoes and the long beans. After the veggies have become a little soft but still crunchy, you need to add the ramen. I don't like my ramen to be mushy, so I like to keep it a little crunchy. Don't cook the ramen fully at this point because the recipe is not finished yet. After the ramen has become soft but not fully cooked yet, you need to drain the water. So after your waters are drained, let your ramen wait for a while. And now it's finally time to cook the ramen. Now heat up your karai or pan. It should be medium heat. Now add your oil and make sure to distribute the oil evenly. To do this, move your karai like it's shown in the video. After you are done with this, next it's time to add the chopped onions and the chilies. Keep stirring them like so in the video. Keep the flame in medium throughout the cooking. After your onions and chilies have been well cooked, then add your boiled veggies and the noodles or ramen. Mix all the ingredients and add the spice that comes with the ramen. Mix it all together and keep stirring in medium flame. Add salt if you feel the need to. Usually ramen is salty, so you don't need salt. While cooking, if the food starts to stick to the bottom, then you have to add some water, but make sure it's very little. And then stir again. Stirring and adding the right spices is the secret to the perfect noodles. Once it's well cooked, then serve in a plate and eat. Hope you enjoyed this very short and sweet, easy recipe that you can make when you have very little veggie in the house. Don't forget to subscribe. Praying love and light your way. God bless you all. Enjoy.